Co2 LogiCo CO2 Alarm Management and Troubleshooting Guide. The system is comprised of a central unit, a CO2 sensor, a warning lamp, and a siren. The blue central unit has a display that reads the CO2 values from the sensors. It is mounted in the manager's office next to a yellow "What to Do" sign. The CO2 sensor should be mounted in the vicinity of the CO2 tank, or if you have a basement, in the basement. The siren will be mounted above the sensor. Next to it there will be a sign saying CO2 alert. When you have a basement store, the warning lamp will be mounted before you enter the basement. In stores without a basement, the warning lamp will be mounted so that the crew can easily see it. The outside fresh air has about 0.04% CO2. Under normal conditions, the CO2 concentration in the store will be between 0.06% and 0.15%. Alarm management. The alarm levels set by OSHA are for long-term exposure, called time-weighted average, 5,000 ppm over 8 hours. Short-term exposure, 10 minutes, is 3%. At 1.5%, the system makes a low alarm. There is a CO2 leak. Mute the alarm signal by pressing the reset button once quickly. Then open the back door to give extra ventilation and call Coke for service 800-241-2653. At a 3% high alarm, evacuate the restaurant in an orderly fashion. Call the fire department. Under no circumstances enter the building before the fire department has given its all clear signal. Call Coke for service 800-241-2653. If you have a time-weighted average alarm over 5,000 ppm, there is a small CO2 leak that has lasted for over 8 hours. Mute the alarm signal by pressing the reset button once quickly, open the back door to give extra ventilation, and call Coke for service on 800-241-2653. After an alarm, you need to make a system reset by pushing the reset button on the central unit until "Cleared" is displayed in the window. Troubleshooting. If you have an error code C001 displayed on the blue central unit, there is no communication between the sensor and the central unit. Mute the alarm signal by pressing the reset button once quickly, and then check that the sensor is running and the cables in the three-way connectors are not damaged. If so, call KBI for service 800-285-2292. If you have an error E0032 displayed on the central unit, the sensor is out of range. Make a system reset by pressing the reset button until "Cleared" is displayed on the central unit. If the error EE32 comes back after the reset, call KBI for service 800-285-2292. Please observe, it is possible to make a total system check by pressing the reset button on the blue central unit until "Testing Alarm" is shown in the display, and all the warning lamps and sirens are activated. Thank you, and remember, CO2 safety isn't real until it's real in the store. Be safe.